Hey everyone, I'm Andrew.
I'm Dennis.
And we are the Crafty Lumberjacks.
Welcome back to HGTV Handmade. Fall is finally here. It's one of our favorite seasons.
And winter is coming.
Yes. And we have been obsessed with foam soap for the last 4 months, but it kind of starts to add up the more and more we buy. So in an effort to save more money and to save the planet, we're gonna show you how to make your own foam soap.
So today we're gonna be making 2 different scents of soap. We're gonna be making one more for the fall and one more for the winter. And what we love about this project is we're gonna be using all natural materials.
You probably have a lot of these materials at your home. The only thing you do need is a foaming soap dispenser. You can either repurpose one that you already have or find one online.
So the basics and ratio for liquid smoke is pretty simple. Oh, liquid soap. Liquid soap is pretty simple. It's
Foam soap. You're doing great, baby.
So the basics for foaming soap is pretty simple. It's 20% Castile soap, 20% air, and 60% water. Thank you, thank you. We're gonna be making 2 different scents today. The first one we're gonna be making is a spiced apple cider. We absolutely love the smell of it. And for this one, we only need 3 essential oils: apple, cinnamon, and clove.
Yes, and the greatest thing about this is some of the essential oils have antibacterial properties. So the cinnamon is actually antibacterial, so we're actually creating antibacterial foaming soap.
Amazing.
So we like to start by creating our essential oil blend.
Yeah, and we like to do that just in a little glass, just so we know we're getting the perfect amount before we add it into everything else.
Yeah, we're gonna start with apple. You only wanna use about 6 to 10 drops of each essential oil because you don't want them to linger too long or to be so strong that it's overpowering and just nasty, you know?
Yeah.
We're gonna start with our apple here. We're gonna do about 10 drops of apple.
And we're gonna do about 3 drops of cinnamon.
And for our last essential oil, we're going to add clove. It's very powerful and very fragrant, so we just want about 2 drops of that. Oh, 3. So you can give it a little smell, see if you like it.
Let me smell
good.
it. That smells
It's
really
nice.
good. And
It's
really,
very
depending
nice.
on the essential oils you have, your ratio might be a little different. If your cinnamon is not so spicy, you can put more in. We're gonna fill our bottle with 20% of our Castile soap, which should be probably around there. What do you think?
Yeah, that looks good.
Now you can use any liquid soap for this, but we like this soap because it's all natural.
And then we need the carrier oil.
It carries it to your skin, but it also helps with making it safe for your skin, because a lot of essential oils are actually really harsh. So this helps dilute it and make it really safe for you to use.
Yes, and for that we're using the jojoba oil, but you can also use coconut oil, and we're doing about a half a teaspoon there.
And now we're gonna add in our essential oils. Now we're gonna add water next. Do you wanna add a little in here? We don't want any of our essential oils to go to waste.
Yeah.
Here we go.
And for this, we're using distilled water or filtered water you can use as well. And you want about, to fill the bottle up about 60%, leaving about 10% for air. You do need air to create the foam soap. And really, that's all it is.
So lastly, you're just gonna wanna shake your mixture up. And a tip is you could shake it up around once a day, just to kind of get those oils moving.
Oh, foam party. Now we're gonna create our second scent. We're calling this the winter warmer. This we're gonna start with 10 drops of cedarwood.
And then we're gonna do 5 drops of pine. And then we're gonna do about 2 drops of cardamom.
It's nice.
That is really nice. The cardamom really adds this nice warmth to it. And like the pine and the cedar just give it this earthiness. Oh, I like this one.
And we're gonna build this one the same like we did the other one. We're gonna start with our Castile soap here, filling up the jar about 20%, and the half teaspoon of the jojoba oil.
And our essential oils. And then about 60% of water.
We have 2 sinks here in our apartment, so we like to have a different scent for each sink. Here's our winter warmer. It looks beautiful.
Warm
Let's
me
see
up.
how it comes out here. Always a few pumps to get it started. Oh yeah.
Wow.
How's it smell? Good?
It smells good. Smell it.
So these bottles are beautiful as they are, but Andrew and I, we like to change up our space all the time for different holidays, different seasons. So we're gonna show you a few tips on how you can decorate your bottle if you wanna redecorate the ones you've purchased, or if you wanna repurpose the one that you've already bought at the grocery store. Since this is our winter warmer here, we thought it might be fun to add a sprig in there. We're not using a little real sprig, we're using a fake sprig that we got at the craft store. We're just gonna pop that in there.
It looks like it's in a blizzard. Pop a sprig in it.
Yeah, pop a sprig in it.
Pop a
Why
sprig
not?
in it.
And then we're also gonna use some paint marker to draw right onto the glass bottle here. And the best thing about this is if you wanna change out your space, like we like to do, you can wipe it off with a little bit of alcohol and redecorate it throughout the seasons.
So I'm gonna make a quick plaid. I'm just gonna draw vertical and horizontal lines using my ruler as a guide. So simple, and it really only took me, what, a minute?
For our other bottle here, we're going to take this sock. We've been holding onto this sock for a special occasion, and this is it.
Oh my gosh.
We lost the other one in the laundry, or the monster, or Teddy put it somewhere, who knows. But we're just gonna cut it and kind of use it as a sleeve around the bottle there.
Snip it right at the heel. I mean, this pattern is so cute.
So cute. And this is our apple spice.
Oh yeah, you can fold it down, you can fold it in.
Yup. So simple and so awesome. We love how they turned out. It's awesome because you just need the basics, and then you could create any scent for any holiday, any season.
Yeah,
and the
swap
best
them
thing
out.
about it is we're saving money, and we're also saving the planet. Less plastic is
That's
a good thing.
Let us know what your scent would be, because we're always looking for ideas. We want to change it up too. Leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you soon.
Bye.